Here is a question on general organic chemistry. Read the question carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Resonance energy, delocalization energy, increases with 1. Greater extent of conjugation, more overlapping p orbitals, and 2. Lone pair donors, like OCH3, conjugated into the pi system. Step 1. Analyze compound. 3-vinyl methyl ether, CH2 is equal to CH, OCH3. This has 1C is equal to C double bond conjugated with the lone pair on oxygen. There is only one pi bond involved in conjugation. Resonance structures, CH2 is equal to CH, OCH3 CH2, CH is equal to O plus CH3. Resonance energy is small because there is only one double bond interacting with oxygen. Step 2. Analyze compound. To the structure shows a 1,3 diene unit, CH2 is equal to CH, CH is equal to C, with an iexomethylene and an OCH3 directly on the sp2 carbon of the cross-conjugated or cumulated system. Looking carefully at the image, compound 2 is CH2 is equal to CH, CH is equal to C, OCH3, CH is equal to CH2, or more precisely a system where OCH3 is on a carbon that is part of a diene. The OCH3 lone pair can conjugate into the diene pi system. This gives more resonance contributors than 3, but the conjugation pathway is interrupted or branched, cross-conjugated at the sp2 carbon bearing OCH3 and the iexomethylene, limiting full delocalization. Resonance energy is intermediate. Step 3. Analyze compound. ICH2 is equal to CH, CH is equal to CH, CH is equal to CH, OCH3, a fully conjugated triene, 3 alternating double bonds, terminating in an enol ether, CH is equal to CH, OCH3. All 3 double bonds are in conjugation with each other and with the lone pair on oxygen. This linear, fully conjugated system allows maximum delocalization across all pi bonds and the oxygen lone pair, giving the highest resonance energy of the 3. Step 4. Ordering. I has 3 conjugated double bonds plus O lone pair, highest resonance energy. 2 has 2 double bonds plus O lone pair but cross-branched conjugation, intermediate. 3 has 1 double bond plus O lone pair, lowest resonance energy. Order I to 3. Why other options fail? A. 3I2, incorrect. 3 has fewest conjugated bonds so cannot be highest. B. 2I3, incorrect. I has more extended conjugation than 2. D. 3-2I, incorrect for same reason as A. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.